For over 20 years, SEVILLE CLASICS has been an industry leader in supplying a wider variety of steel wire shelving systems to both homes and businesses. SEVILLE CLASICS wire shelving is available in a wide range of sizes and weight capacities. All our shelving systems feature conveniently adjustable shelves and can accommodate casters for easy mobility. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, our shelving is plated with an industrial-strength Ultra Zinc finish. Ultra Zinc is a highly durable finish that better resists corrosion and is backed with a 10-year limited warranty. It has a soft, bright metallic look very similar to chrome plating, but is better for the environment as the plating process uses less harmful chemicals. Select models of SEVILLE CLASICS wire shelving are NSF certified, making our shelving systems as well suited for restaurants and commercial kitchens as they are for warehouses, garages, offices, and your home.
At Whitmor, we understand your passion for simplifying your life in the way that's best for you. That's why, since 1946, our passion has been to do one thing and one thing only: to design and produce the many things that help you organize your life. From our humble beginnings in Brooklyn, through our migration down south to Earle, Arkansas, where we manufactured our products for over 40 years, and now to our vast design and distribution center near Memphis, we've kept one thing top of mind: you. We understand you're your own person and you have your own system, and chances are no two yous are the same. So when designing and manufacturing the storage, organization, and laundry accessory products you use, we make every effort to ensure that they're functional and easy to assemble, but most importantly, that they are exactly the quality that you expect and deserve. All of our products are produced with best-in-class design and manufacturing standards, and everything we sell undergoes stringent testing at all phases of development, from packaging and shipping materials down to the smallest of component parts. And if you need any help putting something together or you have any questions whatsoever, we've got you covered. We have a full-time consumer care team standing by at our headquarters, ready to assist you with any of our thousands of products. It's what we do. As a matter of fact, it's quite literally the only thing we do, so we do it right. Remember, you're the reason we exist, and we have a passion to serve. So when designing your new laundry room, realizing your next weekend storage project, or just helping the kids organize their space, keep us in mind. Find a better order with Whitmor, bringing organization home. Everything in just the right place.
Create valuable vertical space with the Amazon Basics shelving units. Constructed of heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, each shelf can hold up to 250 evenly distributed pounds. You can adjust the height of the shelves in 1-inch increments based on your needs. And leveling feet allow the shelving unit to be placed on uneven ground. A simple twist is all it takes to stabilize. With the ability to store heavy kitchen appliances, paint cans, or toolboxes, Amazon Basics shelving units help keep clutter at bay.